strawberry, milk, and mixed fruits. So come on down to the supermarket, but too late. And today, Justin, Jokowi became a president. I don't know anything else. Jokowi is wrong. Jokowi is wrong. Jokowi is now our Indonesia's Obama because he looks so much like Obama and he's bald. And he's the 7th president, and Indonesia will be grateful for Obama. Jokowi. That's all for today. Goodbye.
Stand.
Kita nyanyi nggak lagi mau